What's going on YouTube? Back with another video here today, and today we're talking about an email list. You need a list of email addresses of customers and clients to contact to anytime you want to. In order to do that, you're going to need an autoresponder. I know there's so many autoresponders out there. There are so many top tier, low tier, cheap, expensive, in the middle. Some has features that other ones don't. Here's my recommendation for you. If you have one in mind you want to try it out. Most of these autoresponders have a 30-day trial. So you can try a 30 day, you don't like it, just cancel it, try the next one. My preference is Aweber. Okay, Aweber is have a 30-day trial. It's $20 a month. For the first 500 emails. The customer service is really good. No problems with it whatsoever. It delivers pretty much all of my emails. It'll never bounce. I have 1 or 2 bounces, but it delivers all of my emails. It's easy to set up. It's easy. You know, I had SendLane, and one problem I had with SendLane, if I send multiple emails, like if I put one out for tomorrow and then the next day, I have to like write down what date I sent it out, because there's no calendar that shows you, oh, you got 2 emails going out this day at 9, 8 o'clock, but Wednesday you have nothing, so I can put it on Wednesday. That's one. It's a small thing with Aweber, but I like that because I came from autoresponder who didn't have that. But Aweber has a calendar, so you want to send out 10 emails in the next 10 days, you will see on the calendar and you can click on it and see what email is going out. So I like that aspect about Aweber, but the customer service is great. The email you back fast. The software is great, and I prefer them better. And you can. One thing about Aweber that I do like, that it goes with everything, as far as plugins, programs, landing page softwares. It goes with a lot of things. And the last autoresponder service I had didn't go with the programs I was running with my blog or my landing page builder. And Aweber goes with everything. It goes with your blog, it goes with your landing page services, it goes with plugins for your website. It matches so well. It's really good with lead pages. It's matched up so well with a lot of different things. So you're looking for one of the best autoresponders, get Aweber. You get 30-day trial, and then the next month you pay $20 a month. You know, under 500 subscribers, $20 a month. Then after 500 subscribers, it's $30 a month. It's a cheap business to run. It's that bad. $30 a month is cheap. Okay, your cell phone costs more than that. So $30 a month to run your business, email your customers every day. I'll go with Aweber. I'll appreciate it if you, well, thank you for watching the video. First of all, I appreciate you watching me, but I have a link down below to get an Aweber 30-day trial. I appreciate you click my link and you go through my link for Aweber. I appreciate that. But if you're looking for autoresponder service, Aweber is a place to go. I have no complaints. Like, I put it this way, I have no reason to leave Aweber. You feel what I'm saying? I have no reason to leave. If there's no other service that has more than what I have already. So, you know, that's about it. And Aweber. So, thanks for watching my video. Like my video, please subscribe to my channel and visit my blog at thexking.com for more information. And I'll see you next time. Thanks.